Okay, so whenever you make changes to your Clover POS, the best thing to do is to also go to your website and just see if those changes are also reflected on your website. So that, for example, if you removed some items from your Clover POS, let's say you moved some of the modifier groups, um, like extra meat or extra sauce, go to the website and make sure those are also gone so your online customers can't order that. Just because you removed it from the Clover doesn't mean that it will also be gone here. You may want to double check. So for example, if you removed extra meat, go in here and double check if it's still here. It won't be here because I actually just did a manual sync, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So what you do is very simple. Click on settings. Go to the back end. This is the back end of your website. Press this button here and then press this button underneath it. So you're going to do settings and then you're going to press import inventory, which is the second one. Okay. And then scroll about halfway down and then do this button here, manual sync. Okay. And then go from this side to this side to this side. So update categories, update all items. Again, if you made price changes, if you removed stuff, you added stuff, did any changes, just do this 3 steps. And then once you finish these 3 steps and it's done updating, what you want to do is you want to go back to your website, refresh the page, and then and just kind of check a few items, make sure everything is updated. So for example, if you changed, so what you would do is you just kind of click on the item and see if it looks correct. If it looks correct, then you should be fine. If you notice there's still some items here, but you remember deleting it from your Clover, then you can do 2 things. Uh, the one way you can do it is you can just go in here, categories and items, and you can just hide it. So for example, I can hide the entire category of fried rice. I can hide the entire category of gift cards. Actually, this one's already hidden. I can hide bottled drink. I can hide modifier groups. So for example, if you are no longer offering topping choice, just hide it. Remember, this will only hide it from the website. It won't affect your in-store. This is only for this specific location and only on the website. Okay? For example, let's say you do want to offer topping choice as a modifier group, but you don't want to offer extra coconut jelly. You can just hide it like that, and it will hide it from the website. So let me see if I can show you an example how that works. Okay, so we have all these orders here. Let me go ahead. Drink price mod. Drink price mod. Let me see what this one says. Large, mild. Okay, so for example, I'm going to order drink here. I believe this one should have that. Strawberry tea. It could be the other one. Okay, actually here. Extra coconut jelly. Okay, see how extra coconut jelly shows up on the website? I'm going to go in here and hide that. Extra coconut jelly. See, I'm going to slide it. Once you slide it to the left, you don't have to press save. You can just go on the website now, refresh the page, wait for the page to reload. I'm going to go ahead and order that drink again, which was, remember earlier you saw extra coconut jelly? See, it's gone now because I hid it from the back end. Okay, so you can hide it. You can do one at a time. I mean, you can do one at a time, or you can hide the entire category. You can hide all of it. You can go like that. Okay, so that's the other way to do it. And then the last way to do it is if you made lots of changes and you basically remove lots of items from your Clover POS, you can use a clean inventory feature. This is also another way to do it. Just press next, and if you delete a bunch of order types, press start. If you didn't, just go to next. If you deleted lots of tax rates, press start. If you didn't, go next. If you deleted lots of modifier groups, press start. If you didn't, go next. If you deleted lots of modifiers, press start. If you didn't, go next. Again, just follow the steps. So you may have only changed maybe items only or categories. You can just press start, and it will look for all the categories you deleted from your Clover, and it will show it on. It will let you know how much you deleted. Okay, so 16 categories cleaned, and then once it's done, you can just press cancel. Okay, and that's how you do that. Again, everything is done from back here, and you can make changes on the back end. Let me just check a few settings here. This one we don't need. Tips is enabled. Good. Okay. Looks like everything is good. So if you have any questions, you can always watch other videos on YouTube, or you can go over here and it has frequently asked questions and answers. Okay. And again, you can just kind of go through these settings and just make sure everything is the way you want it. Okay? Thank you for your time.